And welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. You all, we are flipping the script. Yes, we are. We are making a juice today to flush out excess fluid and flush out excess toxin. Yes, we are. I have never made this juice, but we're going to do it today. So this is my laboratory. This is where I come in and the chemistry happens. This is where the experimenting begins, right here and right now. So join me today. Thank you for allowing me to step inside of your home and show you what I have today. Let me tell you something. Y'all, this juicing is very powerful. It's very, enlightenment. There is an alignment in juicing. There is a reset in juicing. There is an energizing bunny in juicing. You all, I promise you. But you got to do it for yourself so you can experience this. You see my shirt? My shirt says, lift up into your highest dimensional perspective. And I'm telling you, this juice, all of this juicing is helping me to reach a higher level of consciousness. I promise you guys, a higher level of consciousness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So it's increasing my mental clarity. And I'm excited. Sometimes I have to just calm myself down so I can focus on what I need to do. So, on that note, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to all the newcomers. Thank you to those who are always watching my channel and supporting me. I am so grateful. We are going somewhere. This is March. We just finished a 20-day juice fast. April is coming. Get ready, y'all. That's all I can say. Get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Y'all, anybody familiar with TD Jakes? Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Because it's coming and things are happening. An explosion is about to take off on the inside. Yes, it is. So here's what we got today. We have this. This is a new juice. Flush and Flow green juice. That's what it's called. Flush and Flow. You remember I made a juice? A glow juice? A glow up juice? All right. This is Flush and Flow. Flush and Flow. So the ingredients in this juice is 1 large cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, 1 green apple, 1 cup of parsley. What else? The juice of a half a lemon and 1 inch of ginger. So we're going to go back through here. For this juice, the large cucumber is super hydrating. It helps flush out excess water. So if you're a person that retains water, retains fluid, as we call it, this is a juice for you. This is a juice for you because this juice will release toxin and fluid. The 2 stalks of celery is a natural diuretic. It reduces bloating. So if you find yourself bloating, then you want this juice. The 1 cup of parsley is very powerful for releasing retained fluid. The apple is for taste and gentle detox support. The lemon supports the kidneys and digestion. The 1 inch of ginger is anti-inflammatory and it boosts circulation. So there you have it. Yes, the parsley and celery helps the body to release excess fluid naturally. The cucumber hydrates while flushing out the toxins. The lemon supports the kidney function. The ginger reduces inflammation, which can cause water retention. Now, on that note, let me tell you this. Here's a tip. When you're drinking these juices, eliminate excess salt, eliminate processed foods while you're doing this. And the instruction says drink this juice 2 to 3 days in a row. So drink it 2 to 3 days in a row, and then you can stop one day and then pick it up the next day. But you want to drink it until you begin to release the fluid out of your body. So I just wanted to share this, and we are going to get this party started. But I doubled the recipe. I did, because I know that the recipe was going to be a little amount, and I wanted to really make sure I have a quart. I want to make sure I get a quart in here out of this, so you could see what I get out of here. So, okay? All right. So here we go. Flush, flush, flush. And you know, when you start flushing out toxins out of the body, that helps your skin to glow that much more. Y'all, our new phase is glow up. It's glow up. Our new phase is glow up, glow up, glow up. Absolutely. So if you are 60 and over, I'm going to say 60 and over, but I'm going down a little bit further. If you are 50 and over, even if you are 30 and 40 and you know you retain fluid, this would be a good juice for you to release some of that fluid. So come on, join us. You all, this is it. This is our journey. Juicing is our journey. Juicing is our journey. Yesterday, we just went off the 20-day fast, and that first day, I just only had dragon fruit bowl, and it was a dragon fruit, strawberries, blueberries, and banana. That's it. That's all I had. I just mixed it together. The second day, the same thing. But I ate some cantaloupe and some pineapple. So no real food, just fruit. Just fruit. I don't want, this is the thing, y'all, after the juice fast, I'm not hungry, and I don't find myself craving any food. So why not just let it happen? I'm just letting it happen. Yes, I am, because I've learned that we eat out of habit. We just eat out of habit. Not because we're hungry, but it's just out of habit. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna strain this juice. Yeah, that's what we do. I was hoping I'm gonna get a quart out of here. I hope so. I hope I am. But I'm excited to even taste this. I just want to see what it tastes like, so I can tell you what it tastes like. And I feel like it's gonna be kind of strong. I do, because of the parsley. I don't know. It may be as mild. It may be really mild. I don't know. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And of course, we have not been exercising while doing these juices, because it really hasn't taken that long to juice them. However, I'm still encouraging us to get up and move. Move. It's important to move. Very important to move. Let me get my jars over here. So I think that I am going to strain this juice and see what happens. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for a taster? I'm excited. Y'all, I am so excited. Yes, I am. Truly. Truly, 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 truly. My body is transforming. And it started the transformation several years ago, but I noticed a different transformation since I've been juicing every day. I noticed a different transformation. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's see. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see. See if we can get you over here. Let's get you in this jar right here. We got a quart. We got a quart out of this. So if you want to triple this so you can have 2 quarts, you got to drink at least, you have to drink at least, I'm going to say 16 ounces. However, if you want greater results, then I would say drink 20 ounces a day. That's what I'm suggesting. But now you make that decision yourself. You make that decision. All righty. You don't need shoes, so we'll put you back. You all, look at that. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. I didn't need this bowl. Let's put you out of the way. Cheers. You see that green juice? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Green is always flourishing to me. Green is always, what I call green? Oh my gosh. It's not coming to me. Oh. It's good. It's good. It's good, good, good. This is an enlightenment juice. An enlightenment juice. This green, flush and flow. Green juice. Flush and flow. That's what that is. Flush and flow. So you all, I thank you for joining me today. And again, if you retain fluid or water, this is the go-to juice. Flush and flow green juice. It's called Flush. It flushes out. It flushes out toxins. And the water just flows out. So come on, join me. Y'all, it's about getting healthy now, mastery. We are mastering this thing. We are mastering this thing that's called health. This is my journey, and I'm sharing it with you. Yes, I am. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you so much for your comments. Send me a comment. Share this with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Oh, at the same time, now I have memberships. So you can join my memberships, and members get special attention. So just go into the comment section, or I think it's in that area where you see membership, and you can sign up for membership. You can go to what area where it says my post, and you can click in there. So if you're ready to level up and elevate and move forward, I welcome you to join Juice Masters. That's what we are. That's who we are, Juice Masters. So become a Juice Master. Oh yeah, because we are mastering this body. One day at a time, one glass at a time, one juice at a time, one sip at a time. That's what we're doing. Yes, again, thank you all so much for joining me today. And until the next video, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.